Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Divi versus Elementor, where we will explore the key features, benefits, and differences between these two popular page builders. As we dive into the world of website design, it's essential to choose the right tool to create a stunning and functional website. First, let's start with an introduction to Divi and Elementor. Both are popular page builders used to create and design websites without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Divi is a theme and page builder created by Elegant Themes, while Elementor is a standalone page builder that works with various themes. In terms of ease of use, Elementor is generally considered more user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to add and arrange elements on a page. Divi, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve, but offers more advanced features and customization options. When it comes to design flexibility, Divi offers a wide range of pre-built templates and layouts, as well as advanced styling options. Elementor also offers a range of templates and a robust styling system, but may not be as flexible as Divi. In terms of performance, both page builders are optimized for speed and SEO, but Elementor is generally considered faster and more lightweight. Divi, on the other hand, can be slower due to its more complex features and styling options. So, which one should you use? If you're looking for a user-friendly page builder with a wide range of templates and a drag-and-drop interface, Elementor may be the better choice. If you're looking for a more advanced page builder with extensive customization options and a wide range of styling options, Divi may be the better choice. Ultimately, the choice between Divi and Elementor depends on your specific needs and goals. Consider your level of design experience, the type of website you want to create, and the features that are most important to you. By choosing the right page builder, you can create a stunning and functional website that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations.